Okay, you can see right now my beef stew is ready. I use to make good soup. So right now I'm going to show you guys seasoned salt is good one too. So I would like to use for my beef stew. After I finish my beef stew, that's when I'm gonna add these cassava leaves in it. So I'll show you guys everything when I do it. Let's let's do it. So the measurement, I cannot tell you how much oil I put in it. I just put a little bit. Not gonna be that much. It's gonna be a little bit. As what I tell you, I use my eye to measure some of the things. Okay, so I'll show you what is the next. I'm going to add a little bit salt in it to making sure the oil it doesn't keep it jumping around. Seasoned salt in it and also complete season. So in a few minutes, what I will add in is gonna be tomato paste to mix good stew. And after that, we're gonna add cassava leaves. I'll show you what is next.
Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family.
Hello, how you doing, everyone who watch me out there? I'm Chantal Hakiza, the mother of 3 children. I'm married. I've been married for over 16 years, so I thank God for that. So actually today, always I come here to teach you. So I'm not just come here to just making fun. Always I come here to teach you guys. So actually today I'm in my kitchen, and some of the people they've been requesting me to teach them how to make a fufu. To make a fufu, it could be corn fufu, it could be pan, it could be yam fufu, it could be plantains fufu, it can be, I mean, any fufu. So, but today myself, I'm going to make cassava fufu. That's my favorite one. So, I'm going to show you how I'm gonna make it. Just be with me. Yeah. So, and then I'll show you guys how to make it. First things, I'm gonna show you the things I'm going to use it, and also I'll show you the meat I'll use, and also some vegetables I use to make good soup. So right now I'm going to show you guys. Just be with me. But if you're not subscribing my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment, encourage me. So when you're doing something and then you see people that like it, and also they're telling you, encouraging you more to do it. Okay? So just be with me. Okay, there you go. So I'm showing you what I'm going to make it. First, actually, I found the Rwandan store here in Atlanta. So yesterday, I just found out yesterday, and usually I buy this fufu on Amazon. And thank God now they have a Rwandan store, so I went there to buy it. Always I like to eat our stuff. It tastes better, it tastes fresh. So that's the fufu I'm going to make it. So actually, as what I was going to mention. So the fufu I'll cook is gonna be these 3 cups of the fufu. I'm going to make it. I will show you how I'm gonna do it. So since we are the 3 people, they say 3 people. When we're eating fufu, we're eating fufu. So uh, it's gonna be 3 people who gonna eat fufu in this house. That's why we're gonna use these 3 cups. So it's gonna be my daughter and myself and my husband. So others they don't like fufu. So I mean, it's just gonna be us. Actually, the fufu I'm going to make it called ikinazi. Kinazi is from Rwanda. That's the fufu. That's cassava fufu. But you could make any fufu though. You could make any fufu you will find it, any cassava fufu you find it, good one, go ahead and make it, no problem. So as long as it's fufu. So whatever I'm going to show you, you could use to make any kind of fufu. So that's my fufu. We have a wonderful fufu. So I'm so exciting. Yeah, so it has been a while. And then, so most of the time we eat fufu with beef stew. That's my beef. I like halal meats. So this is beef. So is it fresh? I like a fresh meat. I'll show you how I'm gonna cook it also. So it will be easy for you. And after that, I'll boil this meat for 30 minutes to be able to be cooked very good. And then I'll put some tomatoes, onion, garlic in it, and also red pepper. So I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. And I'll use my spices. I have complete season. I mean, to boil my meats, I'll put a little bit salt in it, and also I'll use some garlic. And then I'll put all of the recipe under discussion board of my YouTube. So if you not just want to eat it, beef stew, you could add some cassava leaves. So that's what I'm having here. These cassava leaves, actually, you can cook in a minute. So this one is in a minute cassava. I found also on that store we having here, Rwandan store. They have it. This one, it called isombe kumunota, meaning the cassava leaves in a minute. So you can cook in a minute. Actually, most of the time when I'm adding on a my beef stew, after 5 minutes is finished to cook. So that's how great is it. All of the ingredient that in, so I'll cook 2 to have a good soup. I'll cook 2 of them. So it has all of the ingredient in it. So it made in Rwanda. So you can see right now. But you can find in that store I'm telling you here. So whatever, if you need the store, what I buy this food from, and also this isombe, what you call cassava leaves, just let me know. I'll give you address. I'll lower down in the description bar so you guys can go there, buy it. So they have everything from Rwanda. So all of the ingredient that are in, so let me mention what is in. You can see right now. So ingredient that are in is cassava leaves, and so let me go ahead, read what is in it. Yeah, it's cassava leaves and the garlic, onion, celery, cooking oil. So it's like regular oil, like it could be palm oil. I'm not sure which kind of they're talking about. Cube Maggi, salt, and the peanut butter. That's peanuts powder. So that's what is the ingredient that in. So I mean, is everything is already in it, but still I'll use my ingredient as well to making sure. Yeah, so I have a complete season, and also I forgot it to bring the other season I like to use and grab it. Yes, seasoned salt is good one too. So I would like to use for my beef stew. After I finish my beef stew, that's when I'm gonna add these cassava leaves in it. So I'll show you guys everything when I do it. Let's do it. Hello again. So that's here. I just finished to put in my meat here. You can see that's beef. So I have to wash before I put in my pot. I'll wash my meat, and I'm taking to the pot what I'm gonna boil from. So I already boil water on the side. If you want it, you could boil water on the side, or you could put the water come from the here, no problem. to the sink when it's already very, very hot. So because it's gonna be easy for you to boil because it's already hot. So I'm gonna boil for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, that's how I'm gonna boil this meat because it's hard. I like the soft meat. There you go. So we go to put meat in here. Go here. Is the beef meat with bones. That's what is make good stew. We will eat with the fufu today, and then also to put some sombe in it, the cassava leaves. So, and then let me add the hot water. Okay, I just finished to add the water. So we go to boil 30 minutes. I'm going to timer right now. It's gonna be 30 minutes, and 30 minutes will be ready, and we could make some beef stew. Hello everyone, here I am again. So I just finished to boil my meat. You can see I just finished to boil. You cannot see very well, because there's some airs on the top. But I just finished to boil. You can see right now. So right now we go to fry it and we make a beef stew. And after that I will show you step by step. Okay, here that's what we go to put in our beef stew. First is some garlic right here. Some onion. I like red onion. It's grade one. Here that's red pepper and tomatoes. So that's what we're gonna put in our beef stew. And also you can see my sombe now is already out in the package. I put right here. So that's what I'm gonna add in it after I finish to make my beef stew. I will show you what is the next. That's my cassava leaves. What I show you here is out on a package. So I'll show you step by step how I'm gonna add that after my stew. Okay, here that's the water, what I boil my beef in it. Actually, that's what I'm gonna put it in my beef stew. So I'm not putting another water. That's what I'm gonna use it. Here, that's the beef. I'm going to add the oil. I'll use olive oil. Here, my olive oil, that's what I'm gonna use. I'll put a little bit. So the measurement, I cannot tell you how much oil I put in it. I just put a little bit. Not gonna be that much. It's gonna be a little bit. As what I tell you, I use my eye to measure some of the things. Okay, so I'll show you what is the next. I'm going to add a little bit salt in it to making sure the oil it doesn't keep it jumping around. Here's here our meat. Here's here our meat. We are mixing until it will turn brown, and then I'm adding my spices in it. Okay, so you can see now our meat is ready. I'm going to adding some spices. Actually, I will add some garlic. You see right here, and the onion, and then I'll mix it. I will show you what is the next. Okay, so right now I'm going to add some red pepper. It's right here. That's what I'm going to add in it. I'll show you what is next. Okay, so you can see, oh my goodness, my beef looks so good, and it smells good too. So I'm going to add tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to mix. I've just finished to add everything in it. I add tomatoes in it, and also some Maggi in, and the seasoned salt in it, and also complete season. So in a few minutes, what I will add in is gonna be tomato paste to make good stew. And after that, we're gonna add cassava leaves. I'll show you what is next. Look, 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 look. I'm just want to show you my beef. It looks so good and smells so good too. Okay, so right now I'm going to add tomato paste. Oh my goodness, you cannot see my meat. Let me just remove it some right. Okay, yes. You can see my beef. It's just covering the camera. I don't know why. I'm going to adding tomato paste. That's my favorite one. Can you find anywhere? My favorite one is really good. Okay, you can see right now my beef stew is ready. I just finished to put tomato paste. You can see it's really good. Yes. So now we go to add cassava leaves. Can you see it? And then we're just gonna cook for 5 minutes. Cassava leaves is gonna be ready. If you don't have a cassava leaves, you could boil some spinach on the side when you go to make this beef stew, and you can add your beef stew. But today I'm using these cassava leaves since it's gonna be just 5 minutes to cook. It's grade one, and I love cassava leaves. See, I just finished to adding in it, and then I mixed it. I'll mix it, and after that I'll add the water. I'll show you on the side what I boil my beef from. I'm not using regular water. You see it? Look now. Oh, so delicious. It looks so delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's add water in it before it starts to get thick. Voila. Oh my goodness. Look. My cassava leaves with the beef stew. Look how it looks. So delicious. So delicious, my dears. Try to make in your house. Okay, so I'm just gonna cook for 5 minutes. We'll be ready. I'm going to show you how I'm gonna make my fufu on the side. I'm making sure I cook 5 minutes. The sombe can be ready, and then I'll make a fufu. I'm going to show you how I'm gonna make a fufu.
Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family.